So this is the Toyota driving down the road here with high beams on. I'm going to switch to low beams. That's low beams. Back to high beams. Alright, so now we're sitting in a parking lot. Nobody here. High beams on. Roof lack. Light bar on. Pillar mounts on. Wow, that's some freaking light. Alright, so here we got high beams on. Roof rack light bar on. Side lights on. Now we're making some light. Okay, Garmin, save video. Now this is what you need for off-road lighting, most definitely. This will light up your world. Goodness. 51,000 forward-facing lumens. Goodness. Okay, back to normal lighting.